It's hard to imagine a dessert these days that doesn't contain sea salt, an ingredient that both counterpoints and accentuates the sweetness. What better way to introduce salt than by grilling on a salt slab? I give you smoke-roasted pears stuffed with Italian amaretti cookies. You've probably seen full-size salt slabs. These are individual slabs cut from Himalayan pink salt. First thing you want to do is preheat the slabs slowly so they don't explode on contact with the heat. To cook the pears, I'm using a big green egg extra large. I built a bed of coals in the firebox, and the first step will be to place a pear wood chunk on the coals to generate wood smoke. Next, put on your gloves and insert the heat diffuser, also known as a convector plate. Then place the grate on the convector plate. Then place your salt slabs on the grill grate. Then close the grill lid and adjust the vents to obtain a grilling temperature of 400 degrees. Now for the filling and the pears. The filling starts with amaretti, Italian almond cookies. Add the cookies to a food processor and grind to a fine powder. Next, work in brown sugar. Add cinnamon for spice, grated lemon zest for fragrance, and unsalted butter for richness. Process to obtain a smooth, creamy filling. Take a taste. Nice yin-yang of almond and lemon. And there's your filling. For the pears, remove the stem and cut each pear in half lengthwise. Then, using a spoon, remove the seeds. And make a little cut to remove the base. Next, cut a lemon in half, then rub the cut side of the pears to keep them from browning. Then spoon the filling into the pears. Place the amaretti stuffed pears on the salt slabs. Close the grill lid and smoke roast the pears until soft, about 45 minutes. To serve with the pears, homemade whipped cream is great. Smoked whipped cream is even better. Here's how you do it. Cover the bowl of whipped cream with plastic wrap. Now load a handheld smoker with fruit wood sawdust. Turn on the smoker. And when you have smoke, insert the end of the smoker hose into the bowl of whipped cream. Recover the bowl and let the smoke infuse in the whipped cream for 5 minutes. Repeat 2 or 3 times until you get the desired smoke flavor. Back to the pears. So it's been 45 minutes. The pears look done. They're bronze with wood smoke. The juices are bubbling. The filling is brown. They look great. To check for doneness, use what I call the Charmin test. Give a little squeeze on the side. They're soft. They're ready. here are your salt slab grilled pears. They look amazing. Take one for me. And then a dollop of this smoked whipped cream. And a little freshly grated cinnamon on top. And let's see how we did. First, the whipped cream. It's utterly transformed by the smoke flavor. And now the pear. The pear is smoky, juicy, almondy, and the salt slab really does accentuate its sweetness.